Hey all! Well, it's that time of year again where we all forget about the current year, maybe that's okay this year, and start thinking of plans for the coming year. Strategy and budget season, right? Well, I guess unless you're April to March or July to June or October to September company. But I'm going to set those two aside for a minute, and we're just doing planning for the new year. What can we do in the new year? So I thought I'd share 5 insights I've had about 2022 that you might benefit from as you start thinking about the new year and what's coming in the new year. The first one that I've thought about is electric vehicles. This market is receiving major investment. More and more consumers are considering it, and you should be considering it too. How can I get involved in the growth that's coming from electric vehicles? Two, automation in agriculture and food and beverage and packaging. Between urbanization and shortages in agricultural labor markets, this is driving a lot of automation investment into agriculture and into food and beverage and packaging. So this is something to also take very seriously, things like robotic agriculture. Third, supply chain disruption. I mean, we don't want to talk about it, but it's something that's serious. I've seen a couple of economists recently say that chip shortages will lead out into 2023 probably, and I've heard other rumors of other materials. I just flew out of LAX and there was a huge pileup of container ships out in the bay. So, we have an overland logistics problem right now, and so we have to take supply chain disruptions into account in our strategy. The fourth is we have to work towards real, not marketing sustainability. So real sustainability, and that's because Gen Z is going to require that from us to work for us. If we don't do real sustainability and only do marketing sustainability, we're not going to keep our Gen Z workers. And then the fifth one is we need to use technology as an HR tool. How can we invest in our company in 3D printing or machine vision or AR and VR or exoskeletons or robots or cobots or drones or virtual twins or AI, predictive maintenance, condition monitoring, smart sensors? Pick something different than you're doing this year for next year. So what do you see for 2022 that you think will have a major impact on businesses and on manufacturing? I'd really like to hear about it in the comments.